Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss Echo Show 10.3 generation. First 100 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Echo Show 10.3 generation HD smart display with motion and Alexa. Alexa can show you even more with a 10.1 HD screen that's designed to move with you. Video calls, recipes, and shows are always in view. The speakers deliver premium directional sound. Stay in frame video, call friends and family or take a picture, while the 13MP camera with auto framing and motion keeps you front and center. Smart homemade simple setup compatible Zigbee devices or smart products without a separate hub. Ask Alexa to show you security cameras, control lights, and adjust thermostats. Take a look around when you're away. Securely access the built-in camera to remotely monitor your home anytime with the Alexa app or other Echo Show devices. So much entertainment. Ask Alexa to play your favorite shows, music, and podcasts from Prime Video, Netflix, Amazon Music, Spotify, and more. Designed to protect your privacy, Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls including a mic camera off button and a built-in camera shutter. Disable motion at any time.